guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Monday, July 13th, 4:50 in the morning, and I'm about to go bale the rest of that alfalfa field. I'm doing it now because it's supposed to get to 103 again today, so I'm doing it now because the humidity is still pretty high and I don't want to lose too much leaves. But it should be ready. It was cut on Saturday morning, so it had 2 full days basically to dry out, so should be able to get it done in a couple hours. So I'll see you there. So I got started here and the moisture says like 11, 12, 13, which is pretty good. And I'm not losing like any leaves, so I'm just gonna keep going, I guess. We got probably 20 acres, 25, so it shouldn't take me too long. And then we got a creek behind me, which I'm gonna go bale. I'm gonna go back to bed after this field and then get back up and do that creek later. But we'll see how tired I get. So I've been going for about 20 minutes now, and I'm only doing these hilltops up here because if I go down low, I got one spot that was at like a little bit above 20, so on these hilltops it's at like 16, so which is perfect. For alfalfa you can go up to like 20 if you want, but it was like at 21, so I'm just gonna do these hilltops, and then hopefully by the time I'm done with these, those should be dry enough, and then we'll do the rest. I got done with all the hilltops, and I tried going down low, and it's still pretty wet, so I'm gonna come back out at like maybe 7, 8ish, so another hour, 2 hours, and then see if it's ready then. I'm headed back out to the field. I slept in more than I wanted to. It's 7:50, but it should be ready now. It's windy and kind of hot, so it should be ready. So I'm doing these low spots now, and the moisture is at 14. So that's good. They dropped like, I don't know, 5% in like just an hour and 30 minutes. So I'm losing more leaves, but at least it's ready now. And I should really get it done now. The field done. But yeah, it shouldn't take me too long. So I had a little breakdown kind of. Well, in there it said the net wrap did not cut, but it did. But it's wrapped in here now, and how the hell am I supposed to get that out of there? Oh wait, there we go. Oh, that's gonna be a long process. Oh, it's only on this part though. Okay, this shouldn't take me too long. Well, I got all the net wrap out, but it's still saying that it's not cut, and I don't know what the deal is, so I'm gonna open it up and check in there, I guess. This never happened to me before. While I'm looking at it, I don't see any net wrap anywhere, so I don't know what the deal is. I mean, that's where I dug it out at, is up there, but there's no net wrap on that bar anymore. I don't know what the deal is. Maybe the sensor's just covered up. I'll clean it out in here and then see if it's what it is. Oh, boy. Well, I cleaned it all out now, and now I gotta unlock it, which is kind of sketchy. Oh, never mind. I don't know. I'm gonna see if it works, I guess. Please work. Please work. Gosh, dang it. I don't know what the deal is. Alright, I got it. Well, I can't figure it out, so I might just try to make another bale and see if it cuts it, and maybe it'll go away, but that's what I'm hoping for. But the only thing is that this code's here, so I don't know how big the bale is. So I don't know what. I don't know. I'll figure it out, I guess. So I can't seem to figure it out. It must be like a sensor in there that's not reading that it's cut. But I got like 2 rows left. But I'm just gonna wait until my dad gets home. So I'll probably go finish that 150 acre field and start another field. And then I guess I'll have to wait until we fix this to finish the field. And I'm almost done. Almost done. But we'll figure it out later. Before I go cut, I had to have a little snack break. You don't get any. Sorry, buddy. I'm headed to the swather right now. He needs def, diesel, greased up again. But this is our 150 acre field. We started on Saturday, and I got probably 20 more passes left. So maybe 2 more hours, 3 more hours. But after this field, there's a creek behind this wheat, which is 35 acres. I should really get that done today too. And then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna head to like a 10-15 acre field it's like in corn, kind of in between. It's another creek, but I should be able to get that done today too. And I'll probably be done for today after that field. But yeah, got a lot to do. What the frick? Why are you coming out? That is not supposed to happen. Gosh damn it. Oh. Gosh, I hate grease. Just gets you so dirty. Oh. I gotta start wearing gloves. Now I'm hot, sticky, sweaty. And this piece of shit won't stay up. The stupidest design ever. The swather should be ready to go now. That took me about 30 minutes to do. I forgot that thing open. Gosh dang it. Alright, swather should be ready to go. And I got a little bit left. Shouldn't take me too long. So this year the yield in this field isn't very good. 2 years ago, we got 7 inches of rain, I think, and we made 400 bales off this field. But this year, we're not going to even be even close to that. We'll probably make 150 if we're lucky. Well, I found lunch, a ribeye. That looks tasty. Nasty. Oh, it stinks. Another cool find. Skin of a bull snake. That was a big one. That's cool. So soft. I don't want to break it. Oh. I'll be keeping that. Well, that's 150 acres done today. Now, I gotta cut all around this weed. It just goes all around. Should take me about 2 hours. And then after that, I'm gonna try to finish a 30-acre field. And then I'll probably be done, because it's already 2:30, so. But we'll try to get done as much as possible. I'm gonna quickly eat lunch and then finish this crick and then finish that field, which is 30 acres, and then probably do another crick that's 15 acres, and I'll probably be done for today because it'll probably be pretty late. It's 3:30, so yeah, we got a lot done though. So besides the baling, I don't know what's wrong with the baler, so, but hopefully we'll get it figured out. Because we got a lot of hay on the ground right now, so if we don't get it figured out and it gets rained on, we'll not be good. This crick is done. Now I'm gonna do this field, and then if I'm done with that early enough, I'll do the other crick that's 15 acres, I think, and then also probably fixing the baler with my dad. Oh, yeah. Hopefully it's nothing major. Hopefully it's just like a sensor that is disconnected or something. That's what I'm hoping. But yeah, I'll see you when this field's done. Gosh dang it. I swear, dude, I've seen like freaking 5 bones already. We put all of our dead cows in those trees right there, and the coyotes eat on them and then they bring them out. And now they're all over these fields. They're all over that field. Now they're probably over this field. I just keep seeing them. And this field is done. The yield, probably our worst field yet this year. It's pretty shitty, not gonna lie. I mean, look at, yeah, you can barely even see them. This one's not bad. Like that one, no. We'll probably get 15 bales, 20 bales. And this is a 32 acre field, so that's not good at all. And my dad is currently working on a baler. I don't know if you guys can see him, but hopefully he gets it. I'm guessing if he gets it, he's gonna finish that field. Like I said, there was only like 3 more passes left. And then he has that little crick to bale too. You can't even see the windrows on that one. Pretty dry year, not very good. But we got one more field left of the year. It's 100 acres. Oh, and that creek. There's a creek over there. And then we're done for the year. But we still got like 200 acres down right now. So we got to bale 200 acres and plus that 125. So we're almost done though. Probably a week and then we'll be done. Unless they're second cutting. So hopefully we get rain because we need more bales. So I'm hoping for it. Well, my dad fixed the baler. I don't know what was wrong with it, but I'll talk to him later then tell you guys. But he got it, so he's gonna finish baling that, I think. So I'm about halfway done, and look at these windrows. I mean, I'm gonna be honest, I don't even know why I'm cutting this. Over there, it's a lot better. I thought it was like that through the whole field, but it's not. This is shitty again. But what do you do? Hay is hay, I guess. We need the bales, so we gotta cut everything. And this field is done. So now I'm gonna take the swather to our next field, our last field, and I might cut tomorrow, I might not. We got a lot of hay on the ground right now, so maybe I'll just rake a little bit and then maybe bale if it's ready. And then not much happening tomorrow, actually. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna sleep in. I'm really tired. It's currently 11, so I'll probably go to bed at 12. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do tomorrow, but I'll see you tomorrow. Well, good morning, guys. It's Tuesday now, and I'm cutting ditches today. I'm not gonna start that 100-acre field yet because we got 200 acres to bale. But I'm gonna cut ditches today, and then that alfalfa field, we got all the bales still on the field. So I'm gonna take them off the field and put them in rows in case we get a second cutting. We don't want them just in the middle of the field. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do for today. Pretty chill day today, but yeah, I'll do a time lapse of this real quick. The ditches are cut. Now I'm gonna go stack those bales on the alfalfa field. So I just remember that I have to bale this creek, and you can barely see it. There's probably no point even baling it, but down there it's pretty good. Like up here, not good at all. But I'm gonna do that real quick, and then stack all these bales. Yep, it's gonna take me too long to bale this. Because you can't even see the windrows at all. Like, I mean, you literally can't even tell where you're at. We made one bale, and half of that bale was from the alfalfa field, so we didn't even make a bale. But there's like another creek back there behind this corn that I'm doing. I'm about to make another bale. So So we'll probably make 3 bales from this entire creek. Not good. Now I'm gonna go put some bales in rows, I guess, because there's not much to do. Because I'm done cutting, so we got a lot of hay on the ground, and then nothing's ready to be baled. So I guess it's pretty slow again. I'll probably get half the field done and then go take a break, because this is very boring. Probably my least favorite things to do. Well, I came to take a break and the wind really picked up, so it's hot and windy now, but I'm gonna go check on my heifers and give them some cake, so I gotta fill up the bucket though real quick. Oh. -8. This is the most friendly cow there is. Hey buddy, how are you? Alright. Alright. Slow down, guys. Alright. Alright, hold it. Hold it. No. No, that's not for you. No. No. Hey. No. Just give me some time here. No. No. Hey. Damn you. Get out of here. Chill out. Hey. Yeah. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. No, back up. All right, this is getting out of hand. No. No. Get out of here. Get out of here. No. 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 Hey. Hey. Damn it. You freaking no. Don't come up here. All right, I gotta get out of here. They're getting out of hand. Watch your hooves. Bad cows. No. I have to check the water though. That's our new bull that we got 2 days ago. He's a big one. Big bully. Hey guys. Me and my dad are going out to bale some of that 150 acre field. was too dry. We were gonna bail it a couple hours ago, but it literally felt like a chip, like it would break so easily. So we're doing it now because the humidity is pretty high right now, so we shouldn't lose too much leaves, but we'll see how long we're going for. Our old baling tractor, our 7810, the lights are kind of weird. It's like the switch inside the panel like comes loose, so we'll see how long that lasts, but we'll go until that breaks, I guess. And my dad has work tomorrow, so he'll probably end early and I'll probably take over baling. So yeah, we'll see how it goes though. Turn on the lights here. Should be good to go. Well, his headlights are still working, so we're just gonna go until it gets too wet, I guess. But we'll try to be out there as long as we can. It's 9:40 right now, so. But we'll try to get as much sun as we can, I guess. Oh yeah, she looking good. So I'm about to finish up these last 2 rows, and it's currently 12:30, and my dad left at 11, so I'm about an hour and 30 minutes ahead. So I'll probably come out at 5:30, 5-ish, and finish baling, because it shouldn't be too dry at 5, I think. Hopefully not, but I guess we'll see. But I think that's gonna be the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.